Got it?
What's up, guys? It's Ace TNT got here, back again with the freaking Minecraft. This is another video of Toolbox. We will be playing with Josh, Emma, most likely Ethan later. But right now we're doing demons versus demon hunters. I'm a demon hunter. These are demons. The demons attack the demon hunters. The demon hunters try and fend off and kill the demon. The demon kills the demon hunter. The demon becomes more powerful. Such and such. You have to kill a demon a couple times. A demon can turn into a demon if they want to, because they can trap you and switch places with you. If they want to be the hunter, they can be the hunter by switching places with you real easy. I am the demon hunter. Emma and Josh are the demons. Emma is the demon queen.
I lost my bet.
Emma, you're not even at your freaking place anymore. I have to put you back. So let's get playing. Josh is preferably in, I think, somewhere, doing something, masturbating. Shit. How charged is your phone? Give me my phone charger. Okay.
Ow.
Emma, just run.
Oh, Josh!
Just run.
Just go back to my island. Guys, we put a copy of Josh Austin's house over.
Oh yeah, there's a copy of my house over here.
In my island, which I can't find. It should be over here. I'm on Josh's island. Did I pass my island? A box. Whoa.
There we go. Now everything moves faster.
Who killed it?
I did.
Where are you?
I'm gonna go stop mob spawning.
Austin, come here. Where is the demon city? Where's the demon
I'm teleporting you to it.
Okay. Well, just following Josh.
Dig out, dummy.
Yay. No, Josh don't know where I am. T-Rail. Can you do that little voice recorder that tells him to come here?
I can just teleport him here.
Okay. Oh, are you here? Ooh, monster. Hey, in front of you. Do you see me? I shot the ground. I shot the ground!
Yeah, but Josh is somewhere.
Ow.
Oh shit, this demon's rebelling. Ah, fuck.
Did you both die?
No, I died. He kicked my ass.
Did he kick your ass for coming here? For making him come here?
No, that's your guys' place. That's where you guys are supposed to be.
He killed you, didn't he? I should have killed you.
Well, that's the point of the game. You guys are supposed to kill me. I'm supposed to try and, like, survive.
Wait, is there? Josh!
You and your son of a bitch and knockback.
Josh!
Oh, yeah.
Teleport back here!
Sorry, bro.
Teleport back here!
Oh, yeah, I didn't, like, that's what scared me so much, because I hit you for some reason and you didn't move. I'm like, what? I'm dead. How? He should have been gone.
Gotta leave. Don't. Gotta go kiss.
So this is Emma. This is Emma
Dad.
TNT Goddess. It's my little sister. Josh doesn't have a TNT count yet.
But he will.
Well, that's what yet.
You have an account.
We yet to have a YouTube name that has like TNT or something.
Have a YouTube name.
What's your name?
Hey, God 2002.
No,
Yeah.
not for you. Minecraft video. You know you can have 3 YouTube accounts, right?
Yeah, I really don't care.
All on the same email. We'll set 2 on. Set another one to TNT something. Shane TNT God. That's what I.
Ender God.
Ender God.
Yeah.
You have to put Shane Ender God because I'm sure someone else has used Ender God. You have to think of
I'll
something.
just look it up and see if somebody did. Ender God. But yeah, I think I like Ender God.
Yeah, you usually have to use something no one else likes or using. That's why I used Ace and Emma's using Emma. Emma, do you want me to subscribe to your channel?
Yes.
Yeah, well, I actually want to be noticed.
Oh shit. Okay, well I'm hiding. What do you mean you want to get noticed?
I know what you mean.
Dude, if someone else has the same name, then your channel won't pull up at all. I've tried. I'm noticed. I have subscribers, just now getting them, but I have them.
So, people, go to bed. Is it even nighttime? Yeah, it's nighttime.
Emma, we're not. You're a demon. You're supposed to hunt me, not go to bed.
I want to go to bed.
Well, I'm gonna come and kill you too.
I want to hunt you at daytime.
I'm coming to kill you, demons.
No, wait until daytime.
Demons fight at night. That's the way they're supposed to fight, Emma.
They can also fight at day. They need sleep too.
During
No.
the day, they're humans, but at night, they're demons.
No, demons are always just demons. Fucking faggots.
During the day, they're nice, but during the night,
I want to be a demon.
okay.
I
During
finally
the
landed outside the coast.
during
Oh
the
shit, you're not near me, are you?
Nowhere near. My position is 1855/80.
during the day, demons are not. During the day, demons are nice, but during the night.
Those are my coordinates.
This is the story about demons day night.
Holy shit, it's an island.
Oh, by the way, since I'm not a demon, I'm not allowed to fly.
Demons will demons will be nice. Demons
Only
will,
demons are allowed to fly and they can have super strength.
demons will be nice at night, not daytime, but at nighttime they will be mean.
Demons are always mean. That's the way the game goes, Emma. You're supposed to try and kill me like I'm supposed to kill you. And if I kill both of you once, I become an angel, meaning I can fly. I'm swimming my ass over to you two.
Josh, stay with me. You can protect me. He said he was swimming over. Look for a name tag. See anything? See anything, Josh? We should not go any further than that away from our island. Where'd the house go? Josh? Where'd the house go? It's true. Islands can leave. We have to find our island. Let's go, Josh. Just follow me. This is suspicious.
that?
This way. It's my way. The reason why I was leaving to get up. So, and I just want to Hey, don't leave me.
Austin,
Mm-hmm.
why did you have to have such a humongous name?
And this hole, look at this hole. Let's go. Do you have lighting?
I'm about to get fucked up. I'm sure these assholes found me.
Are you digging? Dig this one. What was left? Dig deep.
Yeah, I need to get off that.
This is what the deep one. What do you think of? Dig. Dig. Oh, it's cold. Dig down. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, why do you keep on leaving? He should be somewhere on the silver island. Maybe we should teleport back.
I'm telling you, you guys ain't gonna find me.
Maybe you should teleport to us.
Hey, shouldn't. I don't want to die. There's two of you and one of me. I don't know if you noticed, my weapons quite don't affect you much. I mean, they will still fucking get you out of my face.
We shall stay here until he gets it. He said he wanted to come and swim over here and kill us. So we shall not kill us. We shall go over here, but he shall not.
Demon Island.
Diamond is so lovely. Other people should make a demon island too. Let's go swim underwater and try to find some.
Why would I be underwater?
Dude, Austin, change his name.
No,
What's
what?
his name?
You're not teleporting me.
Tell him.
No, because he's gonna teleport. And I kind of like where I'm hidden at, and I kind of don't want him to know. Because if he finds out where I'm hidden at, well, I'm fucked forever.
Next, try to find the name tag on your gun, okay? This is how it's done.
Emma, you know I have a boat, right?
I'm slowly. Gosh, your name tag is blacking out. Welcome to house. George, come over. Now. George, where'd you go? Come back to one. Now. Josh, come back to our island. Gotta dig this marsh.
You guys can see what I'm doing, right? Hopefully those viewers know what I'm doing.
Boat.
What? You need a boat? Why do you need a boat?
Oh, shit. He doesn't need a boat, Emma. Josh, if you know where I'm at, I'm just gonna stay here and hide from you.
I love how you dug straight down.
Josh, come back with me.
I'm just gonna hide here. Because I'm really far down. And you ain't gonna find me.
Yeah, well, guess what? Knockback don't work from here.
Good point, but my bow will. Just lucky I can't fucking fly. I'd be kicking your ass. It's the only power you have that I really don't.
I see something. I feel someone running up.
Congrats.
Hi, Emma. Ready to die, bitch?
So,
Where you going, bitch? Shit.
I have my sword out. When I dare you come near me. Is this Josh?
This is Josh. This is Josh. Don't kill me.
Oh!
Got her.
Josh, he's above the level on the planet. Now I'm in his. Austin, you're not allowed to come in. You're not allowed to come in the house.
That's not the rules.
Yes, it is.
What? No one said that was a rule. I don't fucking care. I'm gonna stay here and kill you. Okay, fine. I won't go inside your stupid house.
You have to let us kill you if you come inside the house.
Come here, bitchy bitch. Josh, are you at my house, you dick? You know you're not allowed to steal my stuff, right? Okay. Okay. I'll take that. That's kind of fair. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Why am I back here? Why am I back here? No. Why? Why no? Why no? Why? Why no? Why no? I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I'm not ready for this. Not two at a time.
You are ready for this.
Ah, that works.
We're on drugs.
No, somebody engraved the fucking wall.
Looked like they took a knife and went like 5-6 times. Only that asshole there.
Elizabeth, I want your bed made now.
That just seems-
Joshua Shane, your blanket should not be on the floor, and the shoes and shit he picked up straight up his chair and he's put up against the wall. You guys are not trashing this. Ethan Ezra,
Yeah?
you go clean the bathroom and get it ready so I can clean the litter box.
Hey, Emma, come and get me.
Austin, Josh, come on. Get back on the
Hey,
mat.
Emma, I bet you won't get in this box. I'll give you money if you get in this box. I won't kill you if you get in the box. Get in the box or I kill you.
Don't get in that fucking box.
I done told him a whole
That's
thing.
the demon transfer.
Yeah, transfers him. I done told him enough.
But I want to be a demon. Well, that's not very nice, you know. Where's my dynamite at? Hey, Josh, just get in the box.
Don't get in the box.
Do you think I'm stupid?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not. So, kiss a dick. You're gonna need something that can actually get me into that.
Whatever you do, United House may have smooth stone. And leave 2 blocks open.
Never want to. Otherwise, you might just get fucked up.
Yeah. That would
Your demon powers will no longer exist, and then you will be the one hunting us.
Yes, you will be.
It's actually not that hard.
You can't hunt me. I'm unhuntable.
Yeah. Nobody can find me. I'm really in the map right now. I'm a shit. Austin, get out.
I wasn't in your house, bitch.
I'm really gonna join your map and blow you guys up. Josh, come inside. Careful, Josh. Hey, Austin. He's right there, Josh.
Oh, believe me.
Austin, since we're demons, if we had the house to give ourselves to anything,
Alright.
please.
Okay, I deserve that one.
You finished?
Nope, I'm gonna get you motherfuckers.
Tell you what.
How am I back in
Come on,
here?
Just get in the box.
No.
Yeah, get in the box.
Trust me. I'll destroy the box so he can't do anything.
You guys can't destroy straight stone.
I don't want to get.
Why don't you get in the box, bitch?
The only person that's allowed.
Bye, Felicia.
The only person that's allowed.
Oh, Emma.
The only person that's allowed to destroy the sand is Austin. I mean Josh. The only person that's allowed to destroy the sand is Josh.
Dick.
Yes, he's back, bitch.
And then Josh, you
A
have
demon boss, I guess.
Then Josh, you have to replace the thing. Wait, guys, I need help. Is that you, Josh? Guys, I
Yeah, it's me.
I need help getting to the demon island. No, you're not getting to all demon.
Ethan's a demon too.
Oh, right. Oh my God.
Tell you what. Whoever gets in this damn box, I'll do something for them.
Demons, don't get in the box.
I'll-
Don't get in the box.
I'll give you 2 stacks of Dermans. Dick, don't shoot me.
Don't get in the box.
Hey, yeah, get up here, get in there.